watch Indian soaps? And do you ever wonder how these ladies sleep with heavy makeup, heavy jewelry and heavy saris, still manage to sleep throughout the night, wake up looking so fresh and pretty? That's so uncomfortable. How do they even do it? Well, that's none of our business. Hey guys, welcome back to Girls Beauty. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So let's talk about today's video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can drape this beautiful sari. It has a frill on it. I bought this from Myntra and I posted my first get ready with me video with this sari on, and everyone loved this sari. I'm getting messages on Instagram, Facebook that from where did I buy this sari. So first have a look where did I buy this sari, and the link is in the description box below. And last time I checked, they are offering even more discount than I got for myself. I feel betrayed and cheated. दया पता करो, मुझे लग रहा है इसके पीछे कोई साजिश है. So let's jump into today's video and let me show you guys how you can style this beautiful sari in different ways. I'm gonna wear my heels. It's important to wear your heels before you start tucking your sari. And then deciding the length of my pallu and just tying the sari in a normal way, making pleats. This is how the pleats look, very beautiful. And this flowy look is because of the fabric of the sari. It is georgette. Since I will be dancing a lot in the party, so I'm making sure that I use safety pins properly so that there are no chances of any accident happening. So when it comes to makeup, we say blend, blend, blend. And when it comes to sari, I'm gonna tell you pin up, pin up, pin up. As many pins as you can, so that you are very comfortable and move freely in your sari. Instead of the loose pallu, I'm going for the gathered look, and I'm not liking this lace, so I'm gonna hide it, fold it inside, and then I'm gonna use my beautiful belt to keep my sari in place. And then don't forget the safety pin to keep the pallu on your shoulder. And this is how my sari looks, very comfortable, nice. And let's move on to jewelry. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. Do let me know what do you think of this look. I'm totally in love with this look. And for the blouse, as usual, I'm wearing my office blouse, which I wore in so many videos you might have already recognized, and I think it is going very well with this sari look. So in the second look, we are going to add a modern twist to our sari. For this look, drape your sari like we did in the first look. Instead of a blouse and crop top, opt for a button-up long dress or any dress which has a cut in the center. And then play around with the pallu as you wish. You can keep it on the side or across, whichever way you like. This style will look great if you're going for an office party, lunch or casual date. I also posted pics of this look on Instagram before posting this video. So follow me on Instagram to know more about the upcoming videos. For the final look, tuck in one corner of your sari and then make two small pleats and tuck in. Repeat this until you cover your whole petticoat, and it should look something like a lehenga or a skirt. So instead of petticoat, I'm wearing my plazos. You can wear whatever you wish. So for the modern look, I picked up off-shoulder crop top to go with this look. In the end, I'm left with this beautiful frill. So I have two options, either I can hide it or keep it on the side. I'm planning to keep it on the side because it's giving a beautiful look to my lehenga. This frill sari makes a perfect candidate for a lehenga look. since it is light in weight and frill is giving the fluffiness needed. Now take a beautiful dupatta in contrast color. Complete this look with your favorite jewelry. I picked these earrings since they are going very well with the dupatta. So what do you guys think of this look? You can play around with your dupatta to see what style you like the most. If you want to see a video on how to wear a dupatta on lehenga, then check out the link in the description box because I have already done a video on this. Don't forget to check it out. To be on the safer side, make sure you secure the pleats with safety pins. Now enjoy this beautiful look. So tip to buy this saree is go for a solid color. I went for the black one because it is so easy to pair it up with my existing clothes outfits. I can use my existing dupattas and restyle this saree and give it a completely different look. When it comes to the stuff, if you want to give a nice slim look, especially with this saree because it has a frill on it, so it will be nice if you can go for the georgette stuff. So this one is georgette. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section below, and don't forget to let me know which style is your favorite out of the three which I shared with you guys. Mine is going to be the lehenga one. I totally loved it. And under 4,000 you can create this beautiful lehenga look. What else can you ask for? If you guys are interested in this saree, then check the link in the description box. So before I sign off, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take it easy. Bye!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.